ACM's Microsoft Project Manual is uniquely designed as a thorough manual to show users how to make the software work for them. At ACM, we believe that training should empower an individual to use technology to meet their needs and reflect their ideas. So you have the project and the software. Now what? The Microsoft Project Manual focuses on 12 key topics to build you for scheduling success. The easy-to-use and well-organized format allows users to navigate each topic with a comprehensive approach. Hands-on exercises contained in the manual encourage users to follow along and perform tasks related to each key topic. Key topics include work task development, duration setting, resource and cost loading, histogram understanding, status feedback and updating to forecast updated schedule completions, and much more. Also, included with ACM's Microsoft Project Manual is our exclusive Microsoft Project Quick Start and Shortcuts reference card. This card provides users with a quick jump into utilizing the software, and it provides a quick reference for important shortcuts, saving users time and setting them up for success. To obtain a copy of ACM's Microsoft Project Manual, visit our website at www.acmpm.com. Click on Training and Products, then scroll down to Products. There you will see a list of items ACM has to offer. ACM is the first approved education provider as certified by AACE International and a Project Management Institute authorized training partner.